Happy New Year's. These are the codes for test.com for your NCE if you're studying for the exam. These codes are set to expire January 31st, so if you have not liked and subscribed and hit the notification, you will not get the update when the most recent videos come out, as the new codes expire every month. If you have any comments or questions about how to use the quiz codes, I'll put that link in the description box for you. But if you have any additional questions, please leave a comment in the comment section of this video. And thank you for all your support. The quiz codes are here as follows: treatment planning, professional practice and ethics, areas of clinical focus, intake assessment and diagnostics or diagnoses, counseling skills and intervention, and core counseling attributes. These are the other 6 areas that are not covered by Dr. Rosenthal from test.com to help you study for your NCE exam as well as your CPC exam. If you have any questions, as I said before, please leave a comment or send me an email at genevatutoringprep@gmail.com. And thanks again for your support for this channel. I really appreciate it.